Your credit score is one of the most critical numbers in your life. It can affect everything from your interest rates on loans to the amount you pay for car insurance. Knowing your score and keeping it as high as possible is crucial. So, what's the highest credit score you can get? Keep watching to find out. Hello everyone! Welcome to the Finance Wisdom channel. This video will discuss find out what's the highest credit score you can get. If you are new to this channel, do like and subscribe to the channel. Many people think they don't have a chance at getting a high credit score, but I'm here to tell you that with some effort and dedication, you can improve your credit rating. So stay tuned and I'll reveal all the secrets to getting a perfect credit score. What is a credit score? And what factors go into it? Credit score is a statistical number that evaluates a consumer's creditworthiness based on credit history. A high credit score indicates a low risk of default, while a low credit score indicates an increased risk of default. Lenders use credit scores to evaluate the probability that an individual will repay their debts. Financial institutions use credit scores to determine whether to approve loan applications and how much interest to charge on loans. Insurance companies use credit scores to determine rates and whether to support insurance applications. Employers may also use credit scores to screen job applicants. Credit scores are calculated using a variety of factors, including payment history, outstanding debt, length of credit history, types of credit used, and recent inquiries. Payment history is the most critical factor in calculating a credit score. Factors contributing to a good payment history include making on-time payments and keeping balances low relative to credit limits. Outstanding debt, length of credit history, and types of credit used are also important factors in calculating a credit score. Recent inquiries generally have the most significant impact on short-term changes in your score, but their effectiveness diminishes over time as new information becomes part of your credit report. How to get your credit score for free? There are a few different ways to get your credit score for free. One way is to request a credit report from one of the three major credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, or TransUnion. Under federal law, you are entitled to one free credit report from each bureau every 12 months. Another way to get your credit score for free is to sign up for a free trial or credit monitoring service. These services often offer a free credit score during their trial period. Finally, some financial institutions and credit card companies offer their customers free access to their credit scores. If you have an account with one of these companies, you may be able to view your score through their online portal or mobile app. What is the highest possible credit score you can get, and how to achieve it? A perfect credit score gives you the best chance of being approved for loans and lines of credit at the best possible interest rates. An ideal score indicates that you have made all of your payments on time, have never filed for bankruptcy, and have never been delinquent on any of your debts. The highest possible credit score is 850, which is a perfect score. There are many ways to achieve a perfect credit score, but here are some of them. Number 1, make sure always to pay your bills on time. Ensuring that you consistently pay your bills on time is one of the key factors in achieving a perfect credit score. Payment history is the most critical factor in determining your credit score, accounting for 35% of your total score. That means that paying your bills on time every time is essential to maintaining a good credit score. Missed or late payments can significantly impact your score, and it can take months or even years to recover from a single late payment. In addition to always paying your bills on time, you should keep your balances low and avoid opening new lines of credit too often. Number 2, keep your credit balance low. One of the critical factors in your credit score is your credit utilization ratio, the balances you carry on your credit cards divided by your credit limits. So, one of the best things you can do to improve your credit score is to keep your credit balances well below your credit limits. This shows potential lenders that you're a responsible borrower who doesn't max out your cards, and as a result, they may be more likely to extend loan offers to you with more favorable terms. Additionally, keeping your balances low will help keep your monthly payments manageable, which can positively impact your credit score. Number 3, monitor your credit report regularly. Credit scores are important because lenders use them to determine whether or not to extend credit, and if so, at what interest rate. A good credit score can save you thousands of dollars in interest over the life of a loan. In contrast, a bad credit score can cost you money through higher interest rates and may even prevent you from qualifying for a loan altogether. Therefore, monitoring your credit report regularly is essential to ensure your score is as high as possible. You can order your free annual credit report online from each central credit bureau. You should review it carefully to ensure that all the information therein is accurate. If you find any errors, dispute them immediately with the appropriate bureau. Number 4, increase your credit limit. This can be done by asking your credit card company for a higher limit or opening a new line of credit. Increasing your credit limit will show creditors that you're responsible with credit and that you can handle more debt. Finally, have multiple credit accounts. Generally, having multiple credit accounts is seen as a sign of financial responsibility. This is because it shows that you can manage various types of debt successfully. Additionally, having multiple credit accounts can help improve your credit mix, which is another crucial factor in determining your credit score. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you like this video. The benefits of having a high credit score. There are many benefits to having a high credit score. For one, it can help you qualify for loans and lines of credit at lower interest rates. This can save you thousands of dollars over the life of a loan. A high credit score can help you get approved for rental agreements and utility services. Landlords and utility companies often look at credit scores to determine whether someone is a responsible payer. And finally, a high credit score can give you negotiating power when trying to get a job or buy insurance. Many employers now use credit scores in hiring decisions, and insurance companies often consider credit scores when setting rates. So now that you know the highest credit score possible and how to get it, what are you waiting for? Start working on your credit score today so you can be in a better financial position down the road. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. Thank you and goodbye!